Yeah, boss, you don't need to worry. This time I got it. I was all night on Mix Movie Maker. Fonts? Of course I use Comic Sans. It's gonna rock. No, you don't need to worry. I'm pretty sure this time the event is gonna be a success.
Creak, 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 creak.
That's when I realized I had screwed up. What now? I knew I had to make a change in my career. If I wanted to be a successful digital storyteller, I needed help. I started searching online and I found the most amazing ad I've ever seen. Oh my god. I called Apollo Team, that's their name. I wish they can help me. Let's see.
Beep, 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 boom, 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 beep, 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 boom, 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 boom. Beep 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 boom 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 beep 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 beep.
So you call the Apollo team cause you have a big dream. You wanna be a storyteller in this digital era. Worry no more, let me tell you. If paint is still your best friend, today that comes to an end. Let me change your mind. No more writing in Comic Sans because my friend that's a crime. If you want your events full of people and your social media account rocking all the time, 18 is here to drop some knowledge for your whole lifetime. So whoa, slow down. So listen with attention because your digital skills are about to upgrade to a whole new dimension. First step is knowing your audience. Who are they and what's your intention? Second step, let me tell you, retain their attention. They need to know what they're getting from beginning to the end if you want people liking and sharing what you send. And the most important thing is now the third step, reward. Oh yeah, this is the Polo Team Red. First up, we got graphics design is the key. With Adobe Suite and Kevin, we're making easy. From stunning illustrations to visual so breezy, these tools paint our stories, make them look so dreamy. Then there's video editing with Premiere in the lead, cutting clips and adding effects, fulfilling every need. With Final Cut and iMovie, we proceed to craft cinematic tales at a breakneck speed. Audio tools, they got the rhythm and the beat, from GarageBand to Audacity, make tracks so sweet. Narrating with our voices, making stories complete. Podcasts and soundscapes, they can't be beat. Social media, the stage where our stories unfold. Instagram and Twitter stories are told. Snapchat and TikTok, they never get old. Engaging our audience, our stories are sold. Now that is our highlight with analytics insight. Google Analytics and SEO, we aim for the light. Understanding our audience with all our might. Crafting stories that connect every day and night. So, in this digital world where stories take flight, these tools are our companions shining so bright. They help us express with all our might. Digital storytelling, yeah, it's just right. Yeah, digital storytelling tools, they're our ace in the digital race, leaving a trace of creativity and passion in every case, embracing the future in this digital space. So, youth workers, it's time to dive in. With these digital tools, you're sure to win. Making stories for youth with a playful grin. Digital storytelling, letting the fun begin. What the f*** was this?
Apollo Team, making bad look good and good look better. Apollo Team since 2023.